Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out another one of the fun products that I got in my Colourpop mystery box that I got. And I got this a little while ago, but that unboxing video is up here on my YouTube channel, and that was such a fun and packed mystery box. And I got some of those really cute collab products, like the collections that Colourpop is always putting out. One of them is the Lizzie McGuire collection, which I was really into because I loved the show Lizzie McGuire growing up. So I was excited to get the So Juicy Plumping Gloss in the shade Lizzie. And of course, look at this gorgeous packaging. So the Colourpop So Juicy Plumping Gloss is one of their classic glosses. They have so many different shades in it. It's, I think $9 is what it retails for. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and it's supposed to be very hydrating to the lips as well, which is something I extra need today. My lips are so dry. I have like dry patches. Oh, I'm really excited to see if this will actually moisturize my lips today. And it's such a cute, fun, like nostalgic color because it's just clear, but it has glitter in it. Kind of those like iridescent glitter that is looking rainbow depending on the way the light hits it. And such an easy to apply type of product. So, ooh, wait. This smells like something so familiar. I think it smells to me like water taffy, or like a Laffy Taffy. It smells like taffy, I guess. It smells so sweet and yummy. Ooh, what a pleasant surprise. I was not expecting that smell. I can't stop smelling it. I love it. But okay, let's go ahead and put it on my lips now. It's a very thick gloss. For some reason, I just don't love the look of glitter on my lip products. And I love glitter. I love sparkle. But on the lips, it's just, like in this specific scenario as well, it's just very sporadic, like sparse glitter. It's not full glitter, full metallic. It just looks a little bit too loose, uneven. I kind of would like this better if it didn't have the glitter in it, because it is super high shine. And I feel like the glitter isn't too noticeable, but just not my favorite look with the glitter like this. And it is, like I said, a very thick gloss that's also giving kind of that stringy effect too, like when my lips touch and as I'm talking, it's just like that stringy look, which I actually do not like at all. And I'm waiting to see like what kind of plumping effect it has. And it feels a little cooling on the lips, which is nice, but no like stinging, burning. It did help to smooth out the lines in the lips already. And that high shine definitely helps give that fuller look. And it definitely has helped to moisturize my lips, but I can still feel the dry texture underneath a thick layer of gloss. So I feel like my lips don't look dry anymore, but underneath, like it didn't completely deeply moisturize the lips. It just really coated over. With all that being said, I'm not super impressed by this. It doesn't really plump up the lips much. And just the texture of it, I'm not loving. Like as I rub my lips together, like it's so thick, sticky, just not the most comfortable, easy to wear. And the way that it like does that stringy effect, I really am not liking. And the color too, or like the lack of color, just the glitter, that's not something I'm really going to reach for either. So I guess I don't love this as much as I was hoping I would. If you tried any of the Colourpop Lizzie McGuire collection, let me know in the comments down below what you think of the products, which ones you've tried. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.